The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my courses on fashion designing, available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it and enrolling, there's a link in the description below. Okay? Enjoy.
All right. Next, vision and purpose. Your vision for your company, for your brand. Having a vision and having a purpose is the roots of your company. Your vision and purpose are the roots of your company. Having a vision gives your company direction. Where do you want to go? What do you want to become? Take time to discover and get clear and write down what your vision is. If a vision is the what you want to do, a purpose is the why, the reason why you want to do it. Vision and purpose will give you strength and support. When times get tough and you're struggling and you're going through a hard time, and you will, your vision and purpose will put you back on track, will remind you why you're doing what you're doing. Also, what makes you unique? Not just your company, but you. What makes you unique? Because who you are as a fashion designer is an extension of who you are. You are distinct and unique, and so should your designs be. People are drawn to you because of your uniqueness and your impact. Focus on creating your own unique style. What is your unique genius? Now, along with vision and purpose, I want you to think about your core values. Values and principles, which are your fundamental beliefs and things that you stand for and strongly believe in. Like, for example, quality. One core value could be to make great products, especially in the textile industry. And so you want to be inspired by brands that use environmentally friendly processes. Brands like Reformation, for example. Or maybe you're interested in ethical issues and labor issues. So you want to work with companies that have a strong sense of social responsibility. These are all core values. So take some time and discover, what do you stand for, okay? Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. I'll see you in class.